Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing external power. This prevents shorts. Once done, attach an anti-static wrist strap to ground yourself. Static kills SSDs. Use a pH0 screwdriver and plastic pry tool to open the bottom panel and remove the screws in a systematic order so you can reassemble. You need to identify whether your Lenovo uses an M2 or 2.5 drive. Check the bay layout and connector type before proceeding. This step ensures you access the SSD safely and quickly. Now you remove the SSD. Loosen the single standoff screw and tilt an M2 up or slide out a 2.5 drive from its SATA connector. As you extract it, visually inspect the connector and PCB for bent pins, corrosion, or scorch marks. These indicate physical failure. If replacing, make sure the new drive matches the form factor and keying, M key versus B+M, and that firmware and capacity suit your BIOS. Carefully clean the slot with compressed air. Do not use liquids because residue causes shorts. Place the SSD into the slot at a shallow angle, press down and secure the standoff screw so the drive is stable. Loose mounts cause bad contacts. Once reassembled, boot into BIOS to verify the drive appears and set it as the boot device if required. If the drive is not detected, power down and reseat it. Try a different M2 slot or SATA port, update BIOS firmware, or test the SSD externally with a USB adapter. These steps isolate hardware versus firmware problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.